Okay, we have some problem with Blender 2.8 when we try to reopen the project that we have saved, and it's just giving the blank interface of the older version of the Blender, that is Blender 2.79 or anything else. So let me show you how to fix this one. So for example, let me show you an example. So for example, I just want to save these two monkey heads, and when I save these two monkey heads, like the name it is monkey, and let me save on the desktop. So when I open this one, and we get this blank interface of the older version of the Blender. So let me show you how to fix this. Very easy. You just need to switch on Blender 2.8. I'm going to create something like mesh, cube, so let me give the material something like this, this one to something like this, and this one to something like this. Now I want to save this project, and I'm going to show you how to open this project in Blender 2.8. First, go to service, file, and service, go to desktop, rename it cubes.blend, and save. Just close this, and then we have this file here. This is the one. So you just need to go to Blender 2.8 again. Alright, now you want to get this file to your Blender on Blender 2.8. Very easy. Now you just go to file, append, and here we have the cubes.blend, and go to the object and select cube 1, cube 2, cube 3, append from library, and here we have this cube.